Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing it's something different than Prime, I know. We are reviewing a vacuum cleaner. I don't have a car, so I've got a bedroom. It's from a Chinese company and it's small. I've already got it set up and charging, so let's test it out, guys. They supplied the wrong wire for it, so I'll just leave it on its side for now. We'll just get the dust attachment. Which is this one here. Sorry guys, I'm going to have to put you down because I don't have a stand. So you just whack in there. I've got a dirty desk, so let's see how good it is cleaning it. And that's the review of a car vacuum cleaner that I'm using in my room. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, click the notification bell and enjoy my contents, guys. Nice one. Cheers.